Did you know the average American pays over $1,700 a year for car insurance? That's more than $140 every single month, just to keep your car on the road. But here's what the insurance companies don't want you to know. Most people are massively overpaying. And it takes less than 10 minutes to fix. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find the cheapest car insurance quotes in the USA, step by step, so you can stop wasting money starting today. I'll reveal the top comparison websites, the hidden discounts most people never claim, and the single biggest mistake that's costing you hundreds of dollars every year. Stay until the end because tip number 5 alone could save you over $400 on your next renewal. So why do so many people overpay for car insurance? The number one reason is simple: loyalty. Most people just renew with their current provider every year without shopping around. And insurance companies count on that. Studies show that drivers who switch providers save an average of $461 per year. That's money sitting on the table every single year. The second reason is not knowing what affects your quote. Your premium isn't random. It's calculated based on very specific factors. And when you understand those factors, you can actually control them. We'll cover all of that in this video. But first, let's talk about the fastest way to find a cheap car insurance quote right now. Step 1 is using a car insurance comparison website. Instead of going to one insurance company and getting one quote, comparison sites let you get quotes from 10, 20, sometimes 30 providers all at once, in just a few minutes. Here are the top 3 comparison tools used by Americans today. Number 1, the Zebra. The Zebra is one of the most popular insurance comparison sites in the US. You enter your details once and instantly get quotes from over 100 insurance companies. It's completely free to use and takes about 3 minutes. Number 2, NerdWallet. NerdWallet offers car insurance comparison alongside expert reviews and ratings. Great for first-time buyers who want guidance alongside price comparisons. Number 3, Insurify. Insurify uses AI to match you with the best rates and is known for its fast, accurate quotes. The key is, never accept the first quote you get. Always compare at least 3 to 5 providers before making a decision. Now let's talk about what actually determines how much you pay. Insurance companies calculate your premium based on risk. The higher they think you are as a risk, the more they charge. Here are the key factors that affect your quote, and which ones you can actually control. Your driving record. This is the biggest one. Accidents, speeding tickets, and DUIs can spike your premium by 30 to 50%. If your record is clean, you're already ahead. Your age and experience. Young drivers under 25 typically pay the highest premiums. But rates drop significantly after age 25 as long as you maintain a clean record. Your location. Living in a densely populated city like Los Angeles or New York means higher premiums than rural areas. Urban areas have higher accident and theft rates. Your vehicle. Sports cars and luxury vehicles cost more to insure. Older, reliable models with good safety ratings are cheaper to cover. Your credit score. In most states, insurers use your credit score to determine rates. The higher your score, the lower your premium. Improving your credit can directly lower your car insurance bill. Your coverage level. Full coverage, which includes comprehensive and collision, costs significantly more than liability-only insurance. We'll talk about how to choose the right level in a moment. This is where most people leave money on the table. Insurance companies offer dozens of discounts, but they won't always tell you about them unless you ask. Here are the most valuable discounts available for US car insurance. 1. Multi-policy discount, bundle discount. If you have home insurance, renter's insurance, or life insurance, bundling it with your car insurance from the same provider can save you 10 to 25%. 2. Good driver discount. If you've had no accidents or violations in the past 3 to 5 years, ask for a safe driver discount. Most major providers offer this automatically, but not all. 3. Low mileage discount. Do you work from home or drive less than 7,500 miles per year? You may qualify for a low mileage or pay-per-mile discount that can cut your premium by up to 20%. 4. Good student discount. If you're a student with a GPA of 3.0 or higher, many insurers offer a good student discount of up to 15%. 5. Defensive driving course discount. Completing an approved defensive driving course can reduce your premium. Many states offer this and it costs very little, sometimes under $30 online. 6. Pay in full discount. Paying your annual premium upfront instead of monthly can save you 5 to 10% in many cases. 7. Paperless. So you've compared quotes and found a better price. When should you actually switch? The best time to switch car insurance is right before your renewal date. Most policies renew every 6 or 12 months, and switching at renewal means no cancellation fees. However, you can switch at any time. Most companies will cancel your current policy and issue a prorated refund for the unused portion. There's usually no penalty. Here's the process in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Get your new quotes using the comparison sites we mentioned. Step 2. Confirm your new policy start date before canceling your old one. You never want a gap in coverage. Even one day without insurance can be a serious legal and financial problem. Step 3. Notify your current insurer of the cancellation. You can usually do this online or by calling them. Step 4. Update your insurance card in your car and your state's DMV records if required. It sounds like a lot, but most people complete the entire switch in under 30 minutes. Before we wrap up, here are some final pro tips and the biggest mistakes to avoid. Pro tip number 1. Shop for quotes every 6 to 12 months. Your situation changes. You move. Your credit improves. Your car ages. Rates change constantly, and what was the best deal a year ago may not be today. Pro tip number 2. Don't just chase the lowest price. Cheap insurance is great, but make sure the company has strong customer service reviews and good claims handling. Check ratings on J.D. Power and AM Best before committing. Pro tip number 3. Consider raising your deductible. Increasing your deductible from $500 to $1,000 can lower your monthly premium by up to 20%. Just make sure you have that amount saved in an emergency fund. Biggest mistake number 1, only getting one quote. We've said it before and we'll say it again. One quote is not a comparison. Always get at least 3 to 5. Biggest mistake number 2, letting your policy lapse. Even a single day without car insurance can result in fines, license suspension, and dramatically higher premiums when you try to get new coverage. Always maintain continuous coverage. Biggest mistake number 3, choosing coverage based on price alone. Minimum liability coverage might be the cheapest option, but if you're in a serious accident, it might not cover your costs. Make sure your coverage matches your actual needs and risk level. And there you have it, the complete guide to finding cheap car insurance quotes in the USA. Let's do a quick recap. Number 1. Use comparison websites to get multiple quotes fast. Number 2. Understand the factors that affect your premium. Number 3. Claim every discount you're eligible for. Number 4. Know when and how to switch providers. Number 5. Avoid the common mistakes that keep people overpaying. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel. And if you want more money-saving tips like this, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best car insurance is the one that gives you the right coverage at the lowest price. Go get your quotes today.